people see your profile on Instagram, they see all the glamour that comes with it. You're traveling and you are traveling all over the world with the most influential people, but still it comes with a backstory.
पूरा रूप चेंज करना, मेकअप वाज
Of
नॉट
course, of
अलाउड,
course,
राइट? बाथरूम में जाके टैक्सी बाइक में, लाइक इट्स अ जर्नी ऑफ 2 hours टू रीच दैट.
Okay, so when you say taxi bike, the Uber bikes,
या
लोगों को पता ही नहीं है, वो सिर्फ वो देख रहे हैं जो उनको इंटरनेट पे दिखाया जा रहा है. उसके पीछे की क्या स्ट्रगल है?
वाओ, यू स्टे इन सच अ ब्यूटीफुल
आप
प्रॉपर्टी.
5 स्टार 7 स्टार प्रॉपर्टीज में रहते हो, पर कोई ये नहीं देख रहा
पर
वहां रहकर हो क्या रहा है.
वहां पे कितने घंटे सोते हैं, वो गिनती की होती है कि हम कितने घंटे सो रहे हैं. शी सेड अनामिका खन्ना. ओके, आई वाज लाइक ओके, इट्स अनामिका खन्ना. अब जब मैं सोशल मीडिया में पोस्ट करूंगी तो मैं टैग करूंगी. I got a text from their team that this is not ours, it's a replica, please remove the tag.
Oh my God.
I felt so embarrassed.
Welcome to The Unstitched Stories, a podcast where we discuss real stories, real voices, hidden struggles, honest failures, raw journeys, and real dreams. Because before the final stitch, before the spotlight, before the recognition, there are stories. Struggle, dreams, passion, comparisons, self-doubt, creativity, and resilience. In a world that celebrates finished products, we are here to discuss everything that is unfinished. Because even a masterpiece was once an unfinished, unstitched story. Our guest today is Paveena Rathor, a magician who creates magic with her brushes, which I call her Jadoo Ki Chadi. She creates magic on every face, on every bride that she touches. She uses her skill not only as skills, but like an art form. She is one of the most recognized makeup artists in the makeup industry, and she's the queen of natural and flawless makeup. Welcome, Paveena. Welcome to The Unstitched Stories.
Hi Ritu, thank you for having me. Finally, we have a platform where we share our journey, our struggle.
Paveena, you are in the most glamorous industry, that is the makeup industry. And when you started in the early 2000s, the discussion that we've had before the podcast, you switched careers.
Yes.
You were a teacher in a high school, and then something just happened inside and you said that this is not what I want to do for the rest of my life. And you switched to makeup. When you switched, you got an opportunity to work with one of the biggest brands in the makeup industry, Bobbi Brown.
Yes.
You left that.
Yes.
And then you decided to join Simran, and you were a team of professional makeup artists working in Bangkok.
Yes.
What were you thinking when you gave up Bobbi Brown and you joined Simran?
I think it's the right calling at the right time because I never knew that I would love makeup so much. I've always been an art person, but makeup was not a thing that was in my head. You know, like how you say, मैं doctor बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं engineering करनी चाहती हूँ, but then ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. But I used to end up spending a lot of money
On makeup products.
My salary is just like, imagine if I'm walking across the makeup counter, नहीं भी use करना आता था, but then I make sure कि it's in the cart.
Okay.
I'm spending on it.
Okay.
And I used to do makeup for friends, for families, just time pass. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि मैंने कुछ कर, उस टाइम पे तो था ही नहीं.
And
There
we're
was
talking
no
and we're
trend
talking
of-
about early 2000s जब
Yeah.
makeup was not
It was not a thing.
like a full-fledged career. It was just finding its ground in the industry.
It was not even a respected, accepted kind of a profession, right? You know?
I remember because एक पार्लर होता था जहाँ पे हम
सब
हमारी
जाते
सारी
थे।
सर्विसेज यूज टू बी टेकन केयर, आईब्रोज कराने हैं, वैक्सिंग करानी है, और अगर हमारी शादी है, मैं अर्ली 2000s की बात कर रही हूँ, मैं तो खैर आई गॉट मैरिड इन 1999, तो हमारा कोई
सारे
ऐसा
brides same लगते थे.
हाँ, all brides used to look the same. We had to go to that parlor वाली auntie and just get ourselves booked कि 19th को मेरी शादी है, 25 को उसकी है. उसने हमारे को एक तो हम we never used to look the way we usually look. वो हमारे को completely हमारा face ही बदल देती थी. Somebody
Yeah.
who's never worn a red lipstick, she would put a red lipstick. अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो, तुम्हारी आज शादी है, तुम्हें ये पहनना पड़ेगा. And all of us used to look the same.
Yes.
Horribly same. So, and I still don't want to go back and look at my शादी की photographs because वो it's not me. वो मैं लग ही नहीं रही हूँ. So that parlor वाली auntie, that parlor वाली
imagine-
दीदी to Mua, like MUA, makeup artist, it's been quite a journey.
Quite a journey.
So how was it for you?
So like how I just said that there's no acceptance, right? But then रोज सुबह स्कूल जाना मतलब like a kid, I don't want to go to school. A lot of preparation. It's not glam enough. Like you know how you like beautiful things. So, but then I was inspired by. I really like the makeup looks that Simran creates. Inspired by. So of course I asked her. And my purpose is to create, to do, and I so want to do, right? So, but then joining a brand, I wasn't sure if that would be the right thing. Would literally fulfill the calling,
your calling, your
would
passion.
Like would it be like after 4 interviews that I went through and I never imagined like sneaking out from school, running for interview, pura roop change karna. In school, you know how teachers are. You're not dressy. You're not. This makeup was
Of
not
course, of
allowed,
course,
right? But then when you're going for interview, literally bathroom में जाके taxi bike में, like it's a journey of 2 hours to reach that Bobby
So
Brown
when you
office.
say okay, so when you say taxi bike, the Uber bikes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And for our listeners, this is all happening in Bangkok.
yeah.
So we are taking you way back in 2000, and all this that's happening in Pavina's life is happening in
and
Bangkok.
I'm sure everyone is aware of Bangkok traffic. It's been like that
yes.
forever, right? So the journey from school to that office building, it's like good 2 hours. Leke chalo. And school se sneak out hona. Thankfully, the teachers now, whosoever watched the postcard, they won't understand the language I'm using. They are
okay.
Thai. So they would not know how I sneaked out from the school just to do that interview. Bathroom में जाके वो एक दूसरे रूप में आना, makeup, suit and everything, interview करके, फिर वापस school वाले उसमें जाना. But then because I wanted to do it.
Yes, and
I
you
was
wanted
challenging
to,
myself
wonderful.
कि कहाँ तक क्या interview क्या पूछ लेंगे मेरे से, like you know I want to know. So yeah.
And how was the family support when you said that you're shifting from teaching to a makeup industry, the line of makeup?
I'll be honest, my parents were supportive. It's
Okay.
like do if that gives you happiness, you do it. But
Okay.
society, you know how you're being judged.
पार्लर वाले बन रहे हो तुम, पार्लर वाली
Are you
दीदी.
sure? तुम अब मेकअप करोगे लोगों की, like you know. But then I'm very I
That's
live
okay.
and let live.
That
I
is
don't.
okay.
मैं खुश हूँ ना, बस काफी है.
I am doing what I want to pursue and
Yes.
follow in my life.
Yes.
And when I will be a success, everybody will follow suit. So that's what happened with you.
पर तब तो पता नहीं था ना कि कहाँ जा रही थी, पर करना था. And then I got selected. But then I think I chose the right thing.
I think so.
wanted
I think
my
so.
My own profession. I wanted to be something where my name is there, like you know.
And people know you by the work you do.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So all this was happening in the early 2000s. And जब आप मेकअप करने जाते थे बैंकॉक में, were those destination weddings or brides का करते थे? How did it all start?
शुरू में तो चार्ज ही नहीं करती थी. So I was shuffling between two. I didn't quit my job right away.
Okay, so you were
So
doing
I was
2 things at the
teaching
same time. Okay.
and I was taking bookings, right?
Okay.
Since we formed a team, so of course we used to shuffle. So I take bookings, but then slowly it picked up, and
Okay.
उस time पे destination wedding pick हो रहा था.
Achha, it was just coming into being.
Yeah, it was coming in. So it gave me good space and good time to see if it will even get evolved
Okay.
or no.
Okay.
And I used to go for free also. I used to charge less also because I wanted to prove myself. I wanted to, more than proving other people, I wanted to prove myself. कि कुछ
You
कर भी
made the
रही हूँ.
right decision or
yeah,
not.
Yeah, because
Okay.
you know it's a big change of career, and I'm not unstable. I'm not looking for validation. पर खुद को तो
खुद
जवाब
को तो
देना
जवाब
होता है.
देना पड़ता है. So how has your growth and learning been in this industry? Did you evolve yourself, update yourself doing courses, या self learning, या इतने सारे faces को किया कि the experience taught you a lot? How was it?
So, like how I said that I spent money at makeup counters. So
Okay.
there used to be those short courses
Tutorials.
also. Yeah.
Acha.
How they do is you buy a course and you reimburses for the product.
Okay. Mac
So-
used to also do that.
Mac used to
Yes,
do. Bobby
yes.
Brown used to.
हाँ,
But I
know.
spent a lot with Mac.
Okay.
That's when I realized my calling wasn't Mac. You will see the difference. Mac is more bold, fashion, right?
Okay.
But then Bobby Brown is more skin-like.
Hmm.
So that was the courses. Then Simran was like, I liked her makeup, so of course I learned from her.
From her.
But being in the fashion industry, glamour industry, learning doesn't stop.
Never stops.
It's everyday learning.
Every day it is changing.
You learn one particular face that this is how you do this kind of makeup, but eventually when you are on the real client, on the other kind of features, किसी की आंखें छोटी है उसको बड़ी कैसे दिखाना है, round face है, how do you contour, every technique is different, and that's how you slowly experiment, learn, and you see कि okay ये color enhance this thing, you do like this, you will like how we contour, we shadow the flaws, right? So that's how you actually evolve step by step. जब मैंने शुरू किया तब तो contouring थी नहीं
थी
market
नहीं
में.
ना, because तब
There
होता
was
क्या
no
था?
contouring.
Was there a different concealer and a foundation, या दोनों एक ही हुआ करते थे उस जमाने में?
No, foundation होता था, concealer होते थे, but then there was no much of options for
Options,
us. And
okay.
then I would say contouring was nothing that we know that it exists. होता क्या था? That it got evolved later.
Okay.
There was no ring light. We used to do makeup like, you know how hotel rooms are.
हाँ.
Washroom has the best light.
Hmm.
वहाँ setup होती थी.
अच्छा, washrooms में setup होता था because you need light to do makeup.
Yeah,
Okay.
and pictures तो
So
लेते
how
ही
many
नहीं थे.
how many years did you work in Bangkok?
I got married in 2014.
Okay.
So I would say good 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
So you made a name for yourself in Bangkok. You peaked. You were doing well. Then you get married. Marriage is a beautiful thing. You get married. You shift countries. आप इंडिया आते हो and you have to start from scratch. Because यहाँ का makeup industry, I'm sure, was very different from what you must have seen in Bangkok.
Yeah.
So we will talk about the career graph later. But I want to now know कि जब आपने अपना काम start किया, आपने, you worked in Bangkok for so long, and when did you discover your signature style? You are the queen of natural makeup. How did you realize कि वो red lips मेरा forte नहीं है? My forte, my signature style is natural flawless makeup.
So शुरू में तो मेकअप दिखना चाहिए, वैसा मेकअप होता था.
हाँ.
और मैंने वैसा ही
Victim.
मैंने वैसा ही शुरू किया. जितना लगा लो, it's nice. Of course we were always touch wood, I mean like वो कहते हैं ना, जहाँ से आप पहले सीखते हो शुरुआत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, right? And I have learned a very natural base from Simran, right?
Okay.
So that's a good starting for me. But then people want smoky eyes. People want big lashes. मतलब अगर if I look back at those pictures, oh my God, I asked myself, what did I do? How did I do that? Right? पर उस time पे वो चलता था. Then, I think when I moved to India,
Okay.
it was a big transition for me because look, like how it's lake there, this is an ocean. How do
Yes.
I swim in this ocean?
Huh.
So for me, it was like different demands, different expectations, and उस time पे natural makeup का trend शुरू हुआ था, and that's when I relate to Bobbi Brown. I was like, no wonder. I was drawn towards that.
Bobbi Brown.
And like that was the first brand. I mean, I would say salary क्या कमाती होंगे उस time पे, right? The first my product that I bought with my own salary was Bobbi Brown.
Okay. See,
So I was
you
like-
have a connection with Bobbi Brown.
Yeah, I feel like, okay, something is there, right? But then after I got my hands onto the natural touch, I enjoy creating that more because people say नेचुरल में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, पर सबसे
So,
ज्यादा
ऐसा भी एक
time
इंसिडेंट हुआ था where
Yeah.
the client asked for natural makeup. When you did that, she said, ये तो नहीं है, मुझे ऐसा तो नहीं चाहिए, मुझे तो flawless चाहिए. So
So
then you
what do you understand
Yeah.
with natural? And
हाँ.
if you say natural, if I tell you natural, what would
Okay.
you think about it? Like minimal.
what I am.
Yeah, texture
Minimal
दिख
makeup,
रहा है.
texture, जो skin के
हाँ,
textures है.
yeah.
I have
like
a
some
textured
people
skin.
have freckles.
Yeah.
They want that to be visible. So that's natural, right? Flawless is like clean,
Clean.
complete coverage.
Hmm.
Now both the thing takes a lot of products.
Okay.
But techniques of blending is different. Placement of product is different, right?
Okay.
So yeah, that happens.
So
when
maybe she was asking for the flawless
Yeah.
makeup, but she misunderstood saying कि मुझे natural makeup
yeah.
चाहिए.
So when I did that, she's like, she looked at the mirror. उस time पे तो ये नहीं था ना कि we have the references or everything. कुछ नहीं. We don't share pictures. Nothing. I'm wearing this outfit. This is the jewelry. और वो भी उस time पे on spot होता
On
था.
spot.
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming to that. So if a bride, because you master in bridal makeup, so if a bride is booking you and जहाँ से आप book होते हो till the day you are there at the venue doing her makeup, how do you decide the look?
Mood board बनता है. Consultation शुरू होती है.
Okay.
So the call starts that okay. If we are on board, I'll
Okay.
start with your skincare, consultation, regimes, whatever, because makeup artists, every makeup artist will have the purpose of this, what kind of skin they expect from the bride. It's
So-
not one way homework anymore. Yeah,
okay,
it's a lot of homework.
Okay.
Earlier, we go, we do makeup, we come back, we have our family time, me time. Now, the moment we are booked, we start working.
Okay. That's what I want to know. Once you're booked.
Consultation,
So consultation starts at the very initial stage.
yeah. Once
But-
the deposit is made,
The deposit.
yes,
Yes. Because
the 50% of the
Yes.
advance payment
Okay.
comes, I start working on it, right? Sometimes the bride is not free, sometimes I'm not free, but we manage to just get on a call, discuss this, discuss that. Like,
so skin regime discuss होता है.
Yeah.
आपका कैसा skin है, whether it's
Yes.
dry or
Yes.
it's oily or
Yes.
the regular skin
Yes.
tone. And then the clothes are discussed. What is she
the
planning to
clothes,
wear?
like, if they have not started with their shopping,
Okay.
I will tell them honestly that I want to be a part of it. I am very nosy. I can be picky with you. So please
Huh.
make me a part of it. Some people like it. Some people, most of the people like it, because I would say with the trend that's happening now, a lot of brides are confused.
So you choose a color seeing the skin tone that this color is going to enhance her looks.
Luckily, they take the advice. It's
Acha,
like,
they
Parveena,
do.
what do you, this is what I have in mind. But I will tell them, I said, go with an open mind. If you haven't started shopping, go with an open mind. क्योंकि कई बार हम सोचते हैं कि I want to be a red bride. But the moment you try the colors, then you
Okay.
know कि पहन के किस color में आप
वो
glow
नहीं
कर
suit
रहे
कर
हो.
रहा आपको. Okay.
Yeah. So
अच्छा.
like, I mean, that's very subjective. Some people, they know. Like last season, the whole season I had red bride. उससे
Okay.
पहले I had pastels bride.
Huh.
So it totally
Depends on also the fashion that is
Yeah.
doing the rounds, and also like I always say कि किस celebrity ने क्या पहना है, that also influences
Yeah.
the brides.
Yeah.
Okay, so the costumes are done, the dresses are done. So you send reference pictures कि this makeup will look nice.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
going to be the hair, because आजकल is not one event. It's like 5,
6 events
back
and
to
mostly
back.
destination weddings.
Yeah, and considering the weather, the location, the themes, and when you're creating 6 looks for your bride, you want every look to be different.
True.
Yet they should look themselves. Right.
Yes,
so
that
you
is very,
plan the
very
look,
important. Yeah.
And I give them options. Then they pick the options, and then we make the mood board.
Okay.
In a way, if you see, we are doing a good homework for ourselves, so that
and
when we are
it's
there,
a lot of homework.
it's a lot.
Because
of
if
homework.
somebody is seeing your Instagram and they're seeing beautiful brides wear beautiful costumes, behind the scenes are also very glamorous, where you're sitting there and doing their makeup. But are
You
those
don't
behind
come
the
to
scenes?
dirty bit of it.
Yes. So are those behind
struggle.
the scenes the real behind the scenes?
Yes, exactly. That's what I'm saying. No, the struggle is real. Like, and for people who have started since then, हमें तो टेक्नोलॉजी की टी भी नहीं पता.
हाँ,
इट्स
हाँ.
सो डिफिकल्ट टू अडेप्ट थ्रू इट. एक चीज लर्न करते हैं, दूसरी चीज आ जाती है. सो इट्स अ लॉट इन द प्रोसेस.
कैन यू टॉक अबाउट द जर्नी? जैसे अगर आपको किसी डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग पे जाना है तो क्या व्हाट इज़ द जर्नी? एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट की क्या जर्नी है वहाँ तक पहुँचने की, ख़त्म करने की सारा काम एंड देन कमिंग बैक होम?
सबसे पहले स्ट्रेस होती है फ्लाइट
Okay.
ऑप्शंस हम
Okay.
पहले सर्च करते हैं, बैक एंड फोर्थ जाते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर अ टीम ऑफ 3 people 4 people, सबकी अवेलेबिलिटी राइट, एंड हम इतने बजे जाएंगे, इतने बजे निकलेंगे, ठीक है.
So the whole
whatever.
team travels together.
Yeah. So we check the flight options, we sort that out, and if you say having sleepless nights, not sleeping at all, not eating on time is glamorous, that's a rosy picture, then I'm happy. Like
No,
ठीक
it
है.
isn't the rosy picture. That's what I'm saying कि लोगों को पता ही नहीं है, वो सिर्फ वो देख रहे हैं जो उनको इंटरनेट पे दिखाया जा रहा है. उसके पीछे की क्या स्ट्रगल है? आई मीन
वो
आई
तो
नो
ये
यू
देखते हैं ना
ट्रैवल
कि-
फॉर डेज.
वो तो ये कहते हैं ना कि ओ वाओ यू स्टे इन सच अ ब्यूटीफुल
आप
प्रॉपर्टी,
5 स्टार 7 स्टार प्रॉपर्टीज में रहते हो, पर कोई ये नहीं देख रहा कि
पर
वहां रहकर हो क्या रहा है.
वहां पर कितने घंटे सोते हैं वो गिनती की होती है कि हम कितने घंटे सो रहे हैं. वी आर एट वर्क,
यू आर एट वर्क. हाँ.
So we travel. Sometimes we travel the whole night just to take the morning flight from Delhi. Winters mein to we can't risk the flight from Chandigarh, right? So then sometimes my me time, my best sleeping me time and Netflix time is
in the flight.
in the flight, in the
Okay.
car. Like I have my good time.
And also there are days जहाँ days नहीं, hours and hours that meals miss हो जाते हैं. You're surviving on black coffee because आप एक professional हो. आपने एक कमिटमेंट दिया है.
Yeah.
आप वहाँ शादी वाले दिन या उससे एक दिन पहले पहुंचे हो एंड द ब्राइड इज वेटिंग. यू हैव टू मीट द ब्राइड.
Bride हमारे लिए stress हो जाते कि no Pavina you'll get tired. But I don't know. Like I said, I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I love it, right? So that's why maybe I never had that thing ki, no, I'm tired. I can't do this. I've heard a lot of stories about these things. Maybe that's why they come with the perception of worrying for the artist to get tired. But when I'm committed, I'm there. भूख भी wait कर लेगी, नींद भी wait कर लेगी. But then if I have to do the work, I finish the work, I come back to the room, I make sure I crash.
Wow.
Where I don't even switch off my phone. I can't. I can get
can't
any
afford
kind
to.
of call.
Huh.
I can get a call from my baby also. I have to attend that call as well.
Yeah.
So it's like it's and now तो we put reminder. We remind each other. काम शुरू हो रहा है. We have this time to eat. Let's eat. अब तो मैं जबरदस्ती खिलाती हूँ और खुद खाती हूँ कि अभी it's not. We will not have time after this. भूख नहीं लगी है फिर भी खाओ.
खा लो
हाँ.
क्योंकि आगे हमें काम करना है.
हाँ.
So how much time do you take to finish a bridal makeup?
For 2 to 3 hours, not
2 to 3
beyond
hours.
that. Yeah, 3 hours I would take if majorly on the wedding day, if the getting ready shoot is happening simultaneously, and आप आधा घंटा का buffer लेके चलो
ठीक है.
to keep that emergency part. Skin is reacting, emotions, you know.
कुछ
a lot
ऐसा
of things.
एपिसोड हुआ उस मतलब when you went to do you traveled to do a makeup, कुछ any incident that you remember that happened with you and that
A lot. See, sometimes you feel that, oh, 2 hours, perfect, skin perfect, everything is perfect. But eyes are watering. What
because
do I
एक
do?
तो emotions are running high.
Eyes and sometimes it's the weather change.
Okay.
Sometimes it's the heat. Sometimes it's the lashes. Sometimes it's थकावट. नींद नहीं पूरी हो रही. अब पार्टी है तो पार्टी करेंगे
करेंगे
ना.
ना. पार्टी तो करनी है.
When friends come together under one roof, they want to spend time.
So the skin is dehydrated. Then you
Yes.
have to do something to
Yes. Then
rejuvenate
there
and
is-
moisturize the skin. हाँ.
You know, sometimes the bride have skin issues, skin rashes. अब जैसे मैं भी खुद travel करती हूँ. If I go from one weather to another, it starts reacting. So it's the same for the bride.
Yes.
So I literally warned them. I said, destination wedding, there's no emergency doctors or anything. There are, but you will not risk with your skin. So जो dermatologist के पास आप जा रहे हो, please get your emergency medicine with you as a backup.
Okay.
If you need it, right? You should always have it. And होते हैं eczema,
अच्छा.
skin rashes, and some people are allergic.
Okay.
To
So you have to
certain
keep everything in mind.
ingredients, yeah.
And even the products that you're using or you use,
Yes.
you have to keep the skin tone.
So this
and
happens in the consultation.
You're in that room जहाँ पे एक तो bride बैठी है, उनकी मम्मी भी बैठी हैं. There are a lot of masis and buas also in that room. हमारे तो when a wedding happens, it's like the most important event in a person's life. So I'm sure the the tempo of that room is,
High.
something else. The energy of that room is completely different. So how do you tackle that?
मजा भी आता है. मैं
अच्छा.
ऐसे बोलूं कि it's शादी का घर.
हाँ,
You know?
it is शादी का घर ना.
So it is fun for the fact. See, एक तो आपका पहला, this is a relation you're building. मेरा
Yes.
relation तो शुरू से शुरू हो जाती है from consultation. So आपका एक bond हो जाता है.
So you're very familiar with the bride.
Yeah.
आपके लिए वो कोई नया human person नहीं है.
नहीं है,
आप
हाँ.
आप उसके likes dislikes
Yeah.
जानते हो. So you're at a comfort. You are on a comfort zone with
It
her.
is her day.
Yeah.
It is her emotion. And me as a person, I like to comfort the other person.
Okay.
Not at discomforting myself, not at that level, but uska din hai. I'm here for her, not for myself.
Yeah.
Right? So I comfort her. So we share very good relation. We share good bonding. I mean, some bride just stays in your heart forever, right? So
Okay.
I have made such relations. So आपकी bonding शुरू हो जाती है. But then I make sure I tell them कि whatever we are planning, make sure no third interference.
Okay.
You can have two people with you that you trust the most. I understand कि you will trust me, but you want to have अपने लोग कि मैं पूछूं कि मैं कैसे लग रही हूँ.
वो तो होगा.
Have those two people,
हाँ.
not beyond it.
Okay.
100 people, 100 opinions, create confusion. कोई आके आपको ये बोल दे कि यार लिपस्टिक डल लग रही है. You liked it, पर किसी ने ये बोल दिया. ठीक है. आपको
आपका
अच्छा
पूरा
लग रहा है,
morale down
आप
हो जाए.
चेंज नहीं करोगे, पर आपका फेस पे तो आ गया ना. It gets
True.
captured, right? So when we are already doing homework and I am doing what you are confident, every bride looks beautiful. On the
inner
day.
glow भी आ रहा है सबका.
सब अच्छे लगते हैं, but जिसमें फिर अगर if confidence is not there, it gets captured, then
it doesn't.
then I feel I've not given enough, right? So I always tell them, but they do listen. ऐसे नहीं कि they don't. पर जो अंदर वाली कहानी होती है, मॉम, मदर इन लॉ, चाची, बहुत कहानी,
सबकी अपना एक
सबके
सजेशन
अपना,
होगा.
या मतलब आई एम ऑल ears,
हाँ.
but I'm nowhere to comment, right? It's their thing, but वहां तक ठीक है.
Okay. So, and over a period of time, you build a bond with the bride, the client, because जैसे you said, आप इतनी दिनों से उसके साथ, you are in touch. And I have seen, first you've done makeup for the same girl as a bride, then on her first anniversary, then on her baby shower, then on the baby's first birthday.
Yeah.
So this is an ongoing process, and this is building a relationship with the
Yes,
client.
yes.
So ऐसा कोई incident, like people who are just getting into this makeup industry, who want to go and travel, because I'm sure they get inspired by seeing your stories and other makeup artist stories, कि ये तो they are traveling the world, they are going to such beautiful destinations. Anything that you want to tell them?
See, struggle is going to be there. Any field, right?
field.
But my journey struggle has been, the graph of my life has been as such.
Okay.
Like how you mentioned, like
हाँ.
I moved to India. अब 4 years,
हाँ.
कहीं ना कहीं तो नाम बना लिया था, लोग जानने लगे थे,
थे,
डायरेक्ट
हाँ.
क्वेरीज आने लगी
हाँ,
थी.
हाँ.
भगवान कहते शादी कर ले अब वो भी ऑप्शन जरूरी था
लाइफ में.
तो okay, शादी 2014 it happened. उस टाइम पे तो हेयर आर्टिस्ट की कोई नामो निशान ही नहीं था कि फ्रीलांसिंग हेयर आर्टिस्ट होते हैं. We didn't have a freelancer hair artist, right? So that hair artist, somehow I arranged it from the parlor, salon, किसी के through, जैसे भी मिला. टाइम तो निकालना था, फर्स्ट बुकिंग तो करनी थी. So she entered the room. First तो she reached late, and work ethics मेरा बहुत वो है कि punctuality is a thing.
Lack of professionalism.
Yes. So then she entered the room and I was like, blow dry शुरू कर दो, काम शुरू करते हैं, you're already late. Ma'am, दे दो dryer and brush. I was like, what do I give you? And it's like, dry and brush. I said, आपका कहाँ है? कहते हैं, मैम हम salon में काम करते हैं, हम नहीं लाते चीज़ें बाहर, हमें अलाउड नहीं है. And I'm like, पर आप मेरे से तो पूरा चार्ज कर रहे हो, फिर आप हाफ चार्ज करो. Of course I was going to pay her. मेरे को ये होता है जिसने मेरा काम सवारा, you take your payment, right?
True.
But then that's the level of thing I had to go through, and now
So it must have been a shocker for you, from very professional team and set up in Bangkok to come and deal with all this. But I think initially,
but that's a learning process. I
yes,
feel,
it is
right?
a learning
so after
process.
that, I was aware.
Okay.
Like luckily I have a knack of learning, so I have the equipments with me. Luckily
Okay.
I have it. So chalo us din to ho gaya, but then it taught me ki okay, आगे जाके if I'm booking someone, these are the things I need to cross question.
Okay.
So I try to cover that up, right? So now that was the graph of my like struggle going, learning to
Learning
बस अब
from
कर रही
reaching
हूँ,
the
हाँ,
heights
let's
and-
see
okay.
if I can be there.
Hmm.
Then somehow it picked back to back, word of mouth.
Hmm.
Again, people started knowing you.
Hmm.
Then I conceived.
So Bangkok, coming to India, getting married, that's also very important.
Yeah.
That's a very important phase of
Yeah.
your life. Then again, your work picked up.
Yeah.
You started, people started getting in touch with you. There was a good word of mouth.
Yes.
Your makeup techniques were
और
appreciated by
प्लान ये
everybody.
था कि ठीक है 30 में शादी हुई है, 32 में I'll plan a baby, but I was enjoying my work. It happened in 34.
And then you conceived.
I conceived. So conceiving.
What happened at that point?
It was beautiful journey,
I'm
but
sure.
then I wouldn't say it was struggle. I was going with it wisely, like how parents get worry and possessive about what you eat, how you're traveling, are you sleeping, are you taking care. So मैं खुश हूँ ना, आप चाहते हो ना कि मैं खुश रहूँ, मेरे को काम करने दो. तो मम्मा कहते थे कि हाँ तू कर, बस ध्यान रख. But then जैसे कहते हैं ना रिश्तेदारों में पता नहीं है कि Pravina is pregnant, पर एयरपोर्ट पे सबको पता था. I'll enter the airport with a loud, proud noise. I'm pregnant. Let me go.
And to
let me
avoid
go.
going through those X-ray machines. Wonderful.
So that's the best part, right? And I even got upgraded to business class.
Oh,
just
wow.
because I was pregnant.
Perks of being a
Perks,
pregnant
yeah.
woman. Okay. So you started traveling when your daughter was 2 months old.
Yes.
Because you
I was
are
already
committed, you're a professional. So you had committed a bride that you would come and do her makeup. So this was where? Where did you go?
I was I delivered Irene in Bangkok. So I was there. I took the
Okay,
booking
good for
there.
you. Okay.
And I was traveling. I was out of Bangkok.
Acha.
And like they say, like my friend will always just calm me down. Us time to emotions ही ऐसे होते थे.
I know
So
that your body is going through that entire
a lot of
change.
changes.
Your hormones are on an all-time high.
Yeah, so
Okay.
my friend would say, "Usko kuch nahi pata. She's going to just wake up, eat, sleep, poop, repeat."
Huh.
Right? But your emotions is going to go up and down.
You don't
need
feel
to-
guilty. Huh?
Yeah, look at yourself. Look after yourself, right? So I was like, okay, like then my team after work they would go down to the event or they would have me time.
Party at the events.
मतलब अपना अच्छा time spend
हाँ.
कर रहे थे, but I would be like breast pump, storage, freezing milk, coordinating with
So
the
you would be
hotel
sitting in the
staff.
room while the other team is down there enjoying, and you would be
It's a whole
pumping.
process, pumping
Ah.
milk, then cleaning the utensils, then packing it, then giving
Ah.
to the staff to freeze it. It's a whole
Imagine.
process, and I have to sleep because if
Ah.
I don't sleep, it again affects my system. Then that whole process.
So you have to sleep, you have to take care of your diet, you have to eat properly, and then again show up absolutely fresh, in a good mood.
Yes.
Because ultimately
I was there. I'm
you are there
them.
for a person, a
Yeah.
bride,
Yeah.
and it is her most important day.
Yeah. But एक mother responsibility भी है कि उसको भी अपना share of nutrition मिलना चाहिए.
मिलना चाहिए. True. Wow, what a journey. And kudos to you that you still kept going. Otherwise, ऐसे तो कुछ वो नहीं था. You were not bound to work, but because
I
you're a
wanted
true
to.
professional and you wanted to do it for yourself.
Yeah. And it's a family
Yeah,
support. I
you are
would say.
committed
Yeah.
to yourself कि ये मुझे करना है, and I will somehow manage it. I will come around and manage it.
Yeah. Yeah.
That I think that's what women are very good at doing. We are
Yeah.
multitaskers.
Yeah. I
We
feel
can
like
manage.
now Areen has been trained in a way that Mama is going to be away. Now this
Okay.
is a season.
Okay.
It's beautiful also, but then there are times when I missed on her first, which I don't want to, like,
Yeah.
So I get emotional. I try to balance it. And the hard part of the family life becomes like when I come back, then Arjun switched to the position where he has to travel.
Travel.
So my time with my husband also gets compromised. But somehow when we come together, we are like, this is what we wanted, no? We are
Beautiful.
doing. We're
Touch
doing.
wood.
Yeah.
Touch wood. So, and I go by that very famous dialogue कि कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा.
Yeah.
अगर लाइफ में आपने सोच लिया that you want to do something in your life, you will have to pay a price.
Yes.
छोटा बड़ा, what is important to you, कुछ ना कुछ तो life में छूटेगा. So when you are in that room with the bride and the mother and the relatives, buajis, masijis, chachis, so emotions are running high.
Yeah.
Okay. So any incident that you can think of that happened, and how did you tackle that? Because you are the captain of the ship. Okay.
Yeah.
So your team के लिए you are the captain. If the captain panics or the pilot panics,
There is no space for me to
फिर
panic.
तो आप गए.
और मैं तो सीधा ही कहती हूँ, please there's a solution to everything.
हाँ.
Everything there's a way out, पर आप पैनिक मत हो बस. हाँ, मतलब नेचर ऑफ गॉड में कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है. बारिश हो रही है तो हो रही है.
अब आप क्या कर सकते हो?
उसका
हाँ.
बैकअप प्लान जरूर होगा प्लानर
हाँ.
के वेडिंग प्लानर के पास. बट देन डोंट पैनिक बिकॉज यू नो आई एम ऑल्सो ह्यूमन. मेरे भी इमोशंस हैं. आप पैनिक होगे, मैं भी होंगी.
हाँ.
बट आई एम देयर टू सपोर्ट यू. आई एम देयर टू हैंडल यू.
Yeah.
राइट. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. कई बार कॉन्स्पिरेसीज चल रही होती है, कई बार लड़ाइयाँ चल रही होती है
उसी रूम में.
उसी रूम में.
अच्छा.
बहुत कुछ चल रहा होता है. Of course, I would not want to discuss, but I'm all ears. Like for me, the bottom line is I'll calm my bride. I'll sit with her. I'll tell the bride shadow to like, you know, come, get her food,
Help
get
her out.
drink. Just like, you know, you're tired. आधा घंटे डिले होगा, कोई बात नहीं. Take a power nap. So we calm her down. कई बार jewelry टूट जाती है.
Okay.
It's not a part of my job.
हाँ.
But then solve करना ना. I can't just
हाँ,
let
मतलब,
it get delayed. I have to do something
after
about
all, the
it.
bride has to go. She has to get married.
Yeah, I'll
हाँ.
tell her, okay, give me this. मतलब whatever I can do.
हाँ.
वो भी सीख लिया. सुई धागा कैसे चलाते
वो जो hotels में sewing kit
Yeah.
पड़ी होती है, उससे
Yeah.
you are doing जुगाड़.
We have a kit, but then I realized कि अच्छा thread is not going to hold the weight of the jewelry. Then
हाँ.
we use that invisible pin to just lock
Oh
it.
wow.
So
हाँ.
you learn with your
Along the way.
situation, but then
Okay.
blouse malfunction, zip broke.
हाँ.
So a lot of things that, you know, but then
Last minute.
I also panic, but I can't let it come on my face. It's like, shit, what happened? What will I do? But yeah, but to them, they don't know that I'm going through such
That you're
emotions,
going through this
right?
emotion.
But I would say ki, you know, we're handling you. Sometimes we also want you to handle us.
Human है ना. It is a barter system.
Yeah.
You respect me, I'll respect
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
You be nice to me, I'll be nice to
कई
you.
बार तो
हाँ.
कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं कि हम सुनते हैं तो हम we just grasp it and
अच्छा, just soak it in because
soak
you
it
can't.
in and, like, you
no,
know,
you
let it
can,
be.
but you don't want to spoil the
Yeah,
atmosphere
it's not my
there.
day, it's her day.
It's her day.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
then there are
I don't
people.
allow myself to get disrespected. Not even my team.
No, I
Like,
don't think anybody
yeah,
should.
yeah.
If I'm there in a professional capacity
Yeah.
and I'm doing my work nicely and I'm giving you what you asked for, then I demand respect.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay. So you've also had clients who arranged the wedding, a destination wedding in a plush 5-star and a 7-star hotel. You've traveled and they've kept like 6-7 different functions, different occasions, and they opened this beautiful outfit and somebody I remember told you that, oh, this is Anamika Khanna and it was a nice outfit. What was that story?
So अब शुरू में तो of course there were a lot of brands coming up, right? And I was also learning about it. She said Anamika Khanna. Okay, I was like, okay, it's Anamika Khanna. अब जब मैं social media में post करूँगी तो मैं tag करूँगी.
Obviously, if it's a designer's outfit, why
Yeah.
won't you tag it? Huh?
I got a text from their team that this
When you
is not-
posted a
when
story?
I posted, yeah,
Okay.
that this is not ours. It's a replica. Please remove the tag.
Oh my God.
I felt so embarrassed because my team was like, Pavina, you didn't see. You didn't see what you're
No,
telling
but
me
if the
to
client
post.
if the client is hosting a wedding in a 5-star, like a 6-7 day wedding, and if the client tells you this is Anamika Khanna, you will believe that it
Yeah.
is Anamika
And
Khanna.
पहनते हैं. But then at least don't come and say that this is this designer, right? Don't say anything
How
about
does it matter?
You
huh?
are not asking anyone for
So
validation.
you had to put down that story because you tagged Anamika Khanna in that story.
Yeah, I had to remove
So the
tag.
team called you.
Yeah. So I had to
Okay.
remove the tag. of course, right? It's their rights, right? If I'm
Yeah, of
tagging
course.
something. So
Of course.
I would say ki be honest, be loyal. It's okay. But
It's
even if you're
okay.
not wearing a brand, I would not judge you.
Yeah.
You are paying my money, my amount, my fees. I'm good, right? You पहनते artificial jewelry भी पहनते हैं और मैं तो कहूँगी like sometimes they ask me for recommendations. I said you're not going to be wearing pasa every single day. Why you want to get an original one?
Acha, like a costume
A
jewelry, like
recommendation.
costume jewelry.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So why do you want to pay for it? Replica bhi acha milta hai, but have an eye to pick things that goes
Yeah,
well
that
with your jewelry.
Everything is coordinated.
Yeah, be practical, right? But then tell me the truth. So when I put any kind of credentials, I'm not in a fix. Ki, kya
So that
chal
was
raha hai?
also your learning experience. Now, next time when you're tagging a designer or anybody for that matter, you cross check.
Yeah.
Wow. So this is also a learning
So,
which you learn along the way.
Yeah, and when I see the thing, now I come to know. Now I don't go by what they tell me. I check it myself because
Okay, so this comes with experience. Also, people who come for a trial. And when you moved to India, you realized that there is something called a half-face trial,
yes.
which came as a shocker to you.
Yes.
What was that?
So I get a call for a trial and I charge for a trial because मेरा तो time लग रहा है and trial में बहुत time लगता है because आप एक चीज explain करते हो बार बार उस
Okay.
चीज को repeat
Time
करते हो.
and product.
Product, yeah. So then they said नहीं मेरे को तो half face trial ही चाहिए. So why are you charging? I said what is half face trial? I cross questioned her because I don't know about anything about half face trial. She said half face trial में आप half face करो and मैं compare कर लूँगी मैं देख लूँगी and I remove. So I said half face में तो मैं सिर्फ मस्कारा भी लगा दूँगी काजल भी लगा दूँगी या सिर्फ only मैं lipstick भी लगा दूँगी you look better than the other side the bare face. So I said I'm sorry I don't do that. I will do full face and I will show you 2-3 looks in that particular amount and you can keep the makeup on. Go out. Tell me also how it goes. Where is the flaw? What is the problem? It will help you and me both to work on your skin. Right? So that was a shocker to me. मतलब
Okay.
मेरे को ये होता है कि हम आपके हर इमोशंस हैंडल करते हैं इन अ रूम राइट जैसे आजकल क्या वो तो कब से है कि द ब्राइड्स शादी वाले दिन Pavina, I'm down. Pavina, I have period. So
because there's so
imagine-
much of pressure, I think,
yes,
right?
they're so stressed. They want to have fun, but rituals भी होते हैं, events भी attend करना है. It's nice. It's nice how you plan it out and you execute it so well. But then that is also emotions that we handle, right? Then there's an incident. One of my bride broke her nails.
Oh my! Before the wedding or on the day of the wedding?
It was during she was supposed to get. It was a night before.
Okay.
The finger got. It came in the door latch or something,
Oh God.
and the whole thing broke. Usko fever ho gaya, and she decided she doesn't want to go. But then
Go where?
for the event, she
For
doesn't
some
want to
event.
get ready.
Okay.
So I was like, "You are the bride. You have to show your face for a bit." I gave we gave her
Counseled
the team
her,
gave her
okay.
crocin and to rest her.
Hmm.
We called the first aid to fix her thing, her wound
Okay.
and whatever. Then when she felt better, then sometimes things doesn't go as mood board. Mood board planned her. The planner called me, Pavina, what is the quickest makeup that you can do? And of course, it has to complement with the outfit, right? So of course, in 20 minutes, we got her ready. It didn't go as planned, but it complemented
हाँ,
her
but
look.
there is always a plan B.
Yeah,
ना? अब जब प्रॉब्लम आई है तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व तो करनी
Yeah.
पड़ेगी ना.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's what I say. There's a solution to everything. But just keep calm.
Keep calm. है ना?
Inhale.
Be like that duck, that on the face of it you look very calm and
Yes.
at peace, but underwater there you are paddling like crazy.
Busting.
Good. That's the way hustlers do it.
So now sometimes when I get impatient. I do get impatient. I think it's the age as well. So now I'm I literally hold my bride's hand. It's like, okay, let's do this. Inhale, exhale.
Inhale, exhale. Good. So हमारे यहाँ पे तो all the brides follow all possible fashion icons, influencers, Bollywood, Hollywood stars. So do you also get a picture which says that I want smoky eyes like Deepika Padukone and bare lips like Alia Bhatt, or the glowing skin like Alia Bhatt?
Yeah, a lot,
Okay.
especially the trend that Alia Bhatt has created of no makeup look
Acha,
and open
at her wedding,
hair.
that
yeah,
she did.
at her
Okay.
wedding.
Okay.
It was nice,
Hmm.
right? But
it was really
it
beautiful.
was really
Huh.
beautiful. But that was Alia Bhatt. Baby face, good
Yeah.
skin, you know,
Yeah.
it makes a lot of difference.
Okay.
Okay, no makeup look has somehow got invented beautifully into our industry. But then no makeup look again takes a lot of product. That one thing I literally have to explain my client and convince them that ye hota hai, but
So
aisa
no
hota hai.
makeup look will take layers and layers of.
It takes a lot of products where
Okay.
it's required. It takes a lot of time. It takes a proper time to blend. You have to make it look as natural as possible, right?
Okay.
Then about open hair, it became a big whole thing in the industry that no, I want open hair. I want open hair.
Hmm.
Kar lo open hair, but you know, understand your outfit, your location, the weather, how it is. Because if it's windy, you can't do open hair.
You can't do, huh?
Right, on destination. And if the dupatta is heavy, what kya manage karoge?
क्या manage करोगे? हाँ.
Dupatta, hair, lehenga,
Emotions.
rituals, emotions, right?
हाँ.
So some they listen, some they're adamant, and I would say recently I did a bride, and her outfit was very elegant. It was very light. It was by Arpita Mehta,
Okay.
and the dupatta was very light, so it took a beautiful shape on the head, and
Okay.
she handled it very nicely.
Very delicately and nicely.
So
Wonderful.
it works, but
हाँ.
everything comes together. अब आप open hair में इतनी jewelry भी पहन लोगे तो
कैसे करोगे?
कैसे
manage?
करोगे?
Of course. Also, every face is different. Every face cut is different.
Yeah.
You know, your face cut is different from mine. And if somebody tells you that I want this look, so then it is like a science and a technique
Yes.
to do that kind of contouring and create that look.
Yes.
So can you just give us in a small
Yeah,
nutshell
so
how do you
like
do
how
that?
I mentioned earlier about the mood board, right? So if I'm sending certain kind of reference, sometimes I send the celebrity reference as well.
Okay.
But the reference goes with the perception of color concept.
Okay.
कि इस इवेंट पे हम ये कलर कॉन्सेप्ट प्ले करेंगे. समटाइम्स इज द ओनली आइज कि मेरे को ऐसा आइज करना है. Example, smoky eyes, right? Smoky eyes, people get scared hearing the word.
Does it suit everybody?
It suits everyone.
Oh wow.
It's just
okay.
doing it in the right way, the right technique. सबसे पहले तो ये myth है. Smoky eyes, black लगता है. Panda eyes लगता है.
हाँ.
It looks like someone has
That's what
punched you.
That's what I always feel, but this is a new
Yeah.
learning for me.
But
okay.
then for me, it's like, you know, it's the quickest form of makeup. अगर मेरे को
Okay.
कहीं जाना होता है, I would, and I have no time, and I have no patience on my face, I would pick smoky eyes, black kajal,
Acha.
I smudge it, I'm ready with mascara.
So if you're doing smoky eyes, then you do neutral lips.
Nude lips, and like we have 3 main features on the face.
Okay.
So
which
we-
are?
Eyes, cheeks, lips. We enhance 2, we mute 1.
Okay.
So if smoky eyes, no one goes with bold lips. So we mute the lips, we contour the cheeks, we go with bold contouring
Okay.
and good highlighters. So different face cut, different contouring. I have oval face. I will just, you know, contour this area to give that dimension. So my face doesn't look flat.
Acha.
I'll contour this area. So, you know, my face doesn't look too long, because long
Okay. And especially it helps in the photographs
a lot.
because that is what you're going to see.
Yeah.
शादी वाले दिन तो आपका लिटरली भूत बना होता है.
हाँ, मतलब ये कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं कि
हाँ,
मैं रोज नहीं
नहीं
करूंगी.
okay.
अब अगर मैं कहीं मीटिंग पे जाऊंगी, I will use blush on as a contouring. I'll use it in a contouring technique,
Okay.
just to look lifted,
Acha.
but not overly contoured.
Okay. My mom got married in 70s. I think that era was really beautiful.
Beautiful.
With those big eyeliners, you know.
Sharmila
like
Tagore
the
type,
cat
yeah.
eyes, Sharmila Tagore, and big
Big
buns
bun.
and a lot of back combing. I think their era was beautiful.
It was
Then-
less makeup,
Yes, natural
natural
makeup.
makeup.
Mumtaz and Sharmila, Wahida Rahman. And then came when we got married.
God was unkind.
Unkind. Everybody looked the same.
Yeah.
Darker lip liner with some sort of a filling. Even आपने कभी red color नहीं लगाया है, but the parlor वाली auntie will tell you, अरे तुम्हारी शादी है, इसको लगाओ.
जैसे सब एक फैक्ट्री से निकल
फैक्ट्री से cookie cutters. All of us look
Yeah.
like cookie cutters. चाहे मेरी sisters हो, मेरी cousins हो, मेरी friends हो. So, I mean, like Ramleela characters.
Yes.
And now it is beautiful. What I see on Instagram, what I see on your page, that every bride looks different, though maybe the techniques are the same.
Yeah.
But the way the faces are done, the way they just look so gorgeous. They look bright, apt hair, apt earrings, and everything is prim and proper.
Like how you say, no, to fill in the canvas, you read the canvas first, right? But
okay.
then it's
But
the
nobody
same.
was reading us. So when I remember when I got married and I went, and so my husband's looking at me and saying, "What have you
Who are
done?
you?"
Who are you?" I said, "Don't even. Let's just get married." And
have no time.
I literally want to wash my face now. I said, "Don't look at me only.
So it's
Let's
the
finish
same.
this."
Now when I
Huh.
look back at my work, when I started,
Huh.
I said, why did I do that to you? Like,
So it is a beautiful industry, but it is also a very competitive industry.
this has gone very saturated.
Yes. So, I mean, I'm sure your fraternity supports like the fashion fraternity, but still there is competition.
Politics is everywhere.
Politics
आजकल
is
तो
there.
स्कूल में भी है तो हमारे इंडस्ट्री तो you don't even talk
So,
about
are you
it.
pulling each other's clients and work?
See, that's healthy competition.
Hmm.
सबको काम चाहिए,
Hmm.
right? Some play dirty way, some play smart, and I would say as long as you need to survive. But then some people cut down the price. Sometimes I also work towards giving a good package, but my target is not cutting down the price.
Okay.
I have seen the client sharing it with me. Pavina, I've got this quotation from so and so. Can you do it? Of course, I go back, I calculate what's worth for me, but I will not just say
Bring down
my price to a certain level just to take that.
client.
Yeah.
Also, Pavina, I've heard that because there are all sorts of people in this world, तो जब आपके पास कोई ट्रायल के लिए आता है, वो आपसे मेकअप करा लेगा, and that person will pay you for the trial, but उसका उस दिन मेन फंक्शन होता है. So ऐसा भी कुछ हुआ है?
मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है, but my very close colleague went through it,
Okay.
and it was very embarrassing. I would say, why would you do that?
Why would you do
right?
something like this?
Just because you don't want to pay a certain amount, then hire someone that fits in your budget, right? So I heard that she came for the trial. She said it's a trial. और मैं try करूँगी outfit पहन के, like, you know, just to see how the makeup is. After that, she started wearing the jewelry. जहाँ से she got panic, and she was like, dude, this is happening. What do I do? She texted. I was like, don't finish the look. If she says, wear the lipstick.
If somebody is acting smart with you, you act smarter.
Yeah, you have to protect yourself.
Protect
It
yourself.
is self-respect, right? And that's not right. और अगर वही चीज हम करते तो कैसा लगता? You know, like how it happened that there was a booking, and suddenly there's some change of plan, and the client wanted to cancel me for this event and put me into another event.
अच्छा.
It happened. I cross-questioned. I said, I'm sorry, like, Miss So-and-so, how would you feel if I called you and I said, I'm so sorry, I got a booking
I'm not available
to
for that
go
event.
there, but you have paid me the deposit. I will adjust in another event.
Okay.
How would you? I literally cross-questioned because I was like, you know, it is unfair.
It's not fair.
Yeah. So to
Yeah.
her, I told her, don't complete the look. I mean, if your heart says it's an event or up, I said, just send your team to have a look what's going on. And then, of course, फिर उसने check किया. And then she said, I'm sorry, मैं तो पूरी payment लेके जाऊँगी.
Okay.
So
Good.
she did. But you know, this is a message for everyone that you'll come across all sorts of presence of mind. You just have to
Be smart.
be smart, be alert, like, you know, but
And don't overgive.
yeah, you can't change the other
Yeah.
person, right? But you can only protect yourself.
Also, Pavina, congratulations for doing the Adani wedding.
Thank you.
That was like a huge
Yes, I
platform, I'm sure, and a great experience for you.
Yes.
And when you went for the Adani wedding, even we didn't know that you're going for the Adani wedding. So you had signed an NDA.
We were not
So
allowed.
yeah, so can you just explain what an NDA is for all those listeners who are trying to get into this business and what comes with signing an NDA?
So it's a non-disclosure
Closure.
agreement, right?
Okay.
but it was the first time for me, and of course you cannot discuss it. And for me, sometimes when I get too excited, I don't discuss as a nature. But then with NDA, तो वो तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं, not even
Not
with my
even,
husband, right? Not even with my family. So ठीक है, I took it as another booking, and I just like
But what was
zipped
your
up.
reaction when you got that call? Did you know that you being booked for the Adani wedding?
Yeah, I knew.
Okay, you
it
knew.
it was a direct call, but then I was like, are you sure? Like, you know,
How
like,
did you?
yeah, but of course there was some common connection and everything, but there were options, and God is great. God is kind. Somewhere somehow वो आप अपना मेहनत का फल खाते हो, right? So then I had to tell my husband, because I had to go through some invoice formalities, and मेरे को वो सब नहीं आता. Then when I told him, he was like, "Are you serious?" So you know, he got excited. No, calm down. We are not discussing it. So when it happened, then I called my parents. Okay, this happened. So it was a beautiful thing, but NDA, it comes with the pressure too. Like, you know, imagine you're on such a platform, but you can't tell the world. Like, it's like you can't share
you
the
want
pictures.
to share your achievement.
Yeah, we were not allowed to use the phone in the rooms. It was well
Okay.
converse कि ये
आपको सब बताया गया
restrictions
था.
है. हाँ.
आपको ये बताया था कि आपने सोशल मीडिया पे कहीं नहीं जाना. You're not disclosing
I'm not disclosing
where you are coming,
anything.
who are
Yeah.
you doing the
Phones
makeup
was
for.
not allowed, literally.
Okay, phones weren't allowed.
Yeah.
And finally, they allowed you
So,
to put the pictures on
I was
social
there,
media.
like, of course, again, I bond, like how people say, Pravina, we love your vibe. I love all my bride's vibe. कई बार तो मैं हंसती हूँ, मैंने कहा मैं घर के बाहर टेबल लगा देती हूँ. I'll start selling my vibe, you know. काम की तो कोई नहीं बात कर रहा. So then he said it's going to be released to our PR team.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah.
So once they put it out there on the social
Yeah.
media, and then everybody else can do that.
Yeah.
That's what NDA
So
is.
then, you know, we also give that space, that respect कि ठीक है, इतना बोल दिया, that's more than
That's
enough.
more than
And
enough.
when it came out, तो जितना उनके टीम ने शेयर किया, वही हमने आगे रीशेयर किया. And
Okay.
ऐसा NDA साइन किया कि उसके बाद तो पता नहीं, I don't know how many weddings, like I would say I did 4-5 weddings signing NDA, and I'm like,
That's like the new thing, you know.
the new thing.
हाँ.
पर उस टाइम पे ये था ना कि it's such a big thing, the world should know.
So you've been in the industry for what, more than a decade now?
Yeah.
More than 15 years.
Yeah, it's 15 years.
And sometimes I'm sure you still feel that अभी भी लोग इतने evolve नहीं हुए हैं इस industry को लेके, makeup industry. And do people still address you as?
In the beginning, I would say they call me as makeup wali didi. It was in a very beginning of my journey, and I was like, बुला तो मेरे को ही रहे हैं, इस रूम में तो मैं ही हूँ makeup
But
करने
I will
वाली.
not respond.
I didn't respond. I actually didn't respond. I was like, पता नहीं कहाँ से हिम्मत आई. Imagine I'm just like started, right? So it's like, makeup wali didi, idhar suno. I didn't turn. Then again she called, and I turned. I said, I have a name. You can call me by Pravina. I don't like to be called like that. Very politely, I said. But Acha, the response was also very nice. Like, she accepted. She said, oh,
Okay.
sorry, right? But I feel अगर आप convey नहीं करोगे तो वो उनको नहीं पता. उनको लगेगा कि आप
ये normal चीज
ये
है.
normal है, right? पर अगर आप अपने respect रखोगे, आप बोलोगे कि नहीं, this is not how I like to be called, तो वो आपकी respect करेंगे. Not everyone comes as a bad person, or everyone.
Maybe it is
has
not. It is not intentionally.
Yeah.
But अगर आप अपनी
It's good,
respect को
yeah.
demand करोगे तो
But I see that till date there are people who still take it. Why would
Okay.
you take it? Right? Even I see anyone coming to drape a sari, like, you know, assistant, normal assistant. You have full rights to keep your respect.
yes,
Treat
I
me
have.
nicely.
I will second that, because I was attending a wedding and I saw them ill-treating, literally the shadow. वो वहाँ पे अपना काम कर रही है.
Yes. Yes.
She is working there. At least उसको dignity से आप थोड़ा सा
Exactly.
treat करो
Yeah.
कि आप मेरे ये जूते ले आओ, मेरे ये चप्पल ले आओ. There is a way of
There's a way of
telling and
communicating,
yes, conveying the
Yeah.
message also.
Yeah, because, you know, I would say that the wedding is completed with all these vendors.
Yes, they are.
And-
Everybody plays an important part in
Yes.
making the whole event come together.
Yeah, and you
Yeah.
know, you will get blessings. मैं कहती हूँ चलो आपको इनकी blessings की जरूरत नहीं है, but why to trouble
सबको
someone?
सबकी blessings की जरूरत होती है.
But why to trouble someone, right? Curse भी क्यों लेना किसी का?
So respect a person.
Respect.
Na?
It's a
That
very
person is
simple
there
thing.
in a professional capacity.
Same चीज आप प्यार से बोलोगे आपका काम हो
हाँ,
जाएगा.
हाँ.
तो किसी को demean करके भी क्यों?
हाँ. And all those young boys and girls who are trying to get into the makeup industry, so how do they generate business? वो कहाँ जाएं कि उनको where do they register themselves if the business is not coming through their social media? Because अभी उनकी following भी कम होगी जो नए नए इस business में घुस रहे हैं. Do you have an advice for them?
I would say in the beginning, for the beginners, the excellent platform that I would say is Wet Me Good.
Wed Me Good is a platform on social media.
It's a social media. They
Digital
have a website
platform,
where
okay.
they have all the details of the vendors. I think you can sign up with them.
Acha.
They have a certain package, and
Okay.
you know, it's they offers a lot of services.
So they are like उनके panel पे बहुत सारे makeup
बहुत
artists
सारे
होंगे.
vendors हैं. It's
अच्छा.
excellent place. I
Okay.
would say as a beginner, I was also
You
there.
were also registered with them?
I was also registered
Okay.
with them, but then comes a time of Instagram,
Hmm.
right? When people know you already, it's word of mouth. Now people will approach you directly. So that's where I realized, okay, now I don't need to be there because most of the queries, dates wahi hote hain, right?
अच्छा.
Most of the dates I get booked out, so I don't need that platform.
क्योंकि शादी का
anymore.
सीजन तो जब आएगा तो all makeup artists and hair
Yeah,
artists are booked.
See, Instagram is a place where people will reach out to you,
Okay.
right? You put your contact number over there, they will WhatsApp you, right? But for the beginners, when they don't know how do they make their mark, how do they make have their visibility, unless you create good content and you keep on showing up, consistency, that's a very good thing.
Discipline and consistency.
Yeah, but if you need any kind of assistance, and these kind of platform really works well.
Okay, so for a beginner, that's a good
Yeah.
platform to be on.
Yeah.
So does that come with a fees? उनको
Yes,
कुछ अच्छा, okay.
they
You
have
have
their
to
own
register
package.
yourself.
Yes.
हर एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का एक अपना सिग्नेचर लुक है. Yours is you're the queen of natural makeup, flawless makeup, you know, the way you balance the face. So एक दूसरे का मेकअप से आप कॉपी भी करते हो या इंस्पायर होते हो या ट्राई करते हो करने का. How does
Yeah,
this work?
I mean, everyone copies everyone's look that's being created, but
Okay.
I would not want to say copy. I would say, oh, this look is so inspiring. Let's try
Inspiring.
it out, right? And it's inspiration. Sometimes I see, like sometimes how we see celebrities and we want to try that look on a client.
Okay.
So it's an inspiration. But then copy करने के लिए भी अकल की जरूरत है.
नकल के लिए भी अकल चाहिए.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So smartly, you have to use your brain also in creating something. अब अगर मैंने किसी पे पर्पल आई शेडो यूज किया है, उसके आई शेप के अकॉर्डिंग किया है, उसके आउटफिट, उसकी ज्वेलरी, everything I kept in my mind and I created that look. Now, if you want to use purple eyeshadow, first of all, you have to see not that the client is wearing green.
The color of the outfit. हाँ.
And you're doing purple. Or if she has a certain shape of eyes, instead of making her eyes look big, attractive, you have literally shut her eyes.
Okay.
So
this happens.
Do it, but
which is okay.
Yeah.
All designers do it. Not all, but there are a lot of
Yeah,
designers
yeah.
जो
That's
एक
how
दूसरे
you-
से inspire होके
that's how you
करते हैं,
that's
हाँ.
how you create more variations of the same look, right? But then go according to their features.
Okay. And you're also doing a lot of collaborations with the designers and
Yeah, with the designer, the brand campaign. And
okay,
all.
brand
We do,
campaigns. Okay.
But that I try to do it in the season where there's no bride, because I always prefer doing brides. Yeah.
Okay. So what are the seasonal months for the weddings in our when you
I'll
really
be
get busy
Honest, for the past 2 years, I think the marriage is happening every month.
all around the year?
All around the year.
Okay.
But then the heaviest goes after Diwali. Like
Acha.
October, November, December, Jan, Feb. In fact, this time March was also packed. April, people are also getting married in this heat.
Acha.
Yeah, There are
Okay,
dates, yeah.
great. And in your profession, mostly I've seen for all the videos that I see on Instagram that everybody is standing and doing makeup. Whereas in Bangkok, you said that people sit and do the makeup. And you had a major back issue
Yeah.
because you have to stand for hours and hours.
So I had an incident when one fine morning I couldn't get up. I don't know. I don't even recall that what happened. It's long back, but उसका effect मेरे को recently भी हुआ. जिसका doctor warned me for sciatica pain. But then उस time पे जब हुआ, then I was told because my posture is like
Yeah,
like
you're always
this,
bending and
standing,
doing. Yeah.
right?
Huh.
So it affects my back and my this leg.
Okay.
And I was warned for it, but I didn't take it seriously. Tab to we were young, I would say. And now, then it happened. When it happened, then I started trying to sit when I was pregnant because of the body weight. So I practiced towards sitting, which has become comfortable now. Now I sit and do
Okay, now
makeup.
you sit and do.
Now I sit because then after I delivered Areen, I got into a habit of sitting, but it was a mix of sitting and standing. That's where my sciatica pain got back. And then I was like, okay, sitting is the
So
only
definitely this journey of more than a decade has not been like a fairy tale.
no, but there's no
Crazy.
setback either. Like, you know, it's
Huh.
how you
So you are
take
happy.
it.
You are happy that you
Yeah,
took
I
up this
mean,
profession.
Yes.
But nobody knows the backstory.
Yeah, like
That-
you know how I'll tell people that, oh, you know, my in-laws support me. They'll be like, oh, Pavina, you're lucky. It's 1 in 100%. And I was like, no, it's not about luck. Yeah, it's about luck, but then it's the relations on both sides, right? I mean, I would say till date, you know, when I look back, I was like, had mama not just come, like in the beginning, what happened is I got the booking. I asked my husband that, okay, am I, you know, I'll ask mom first. Then he said, no, everyone is working. Our setup is like that. Everyone is working. Don't put them in a habit of you asking for permission. Just inform them so that it's well informed that you're going to be
Yeah,
away,
and they
you're going to be
respected
here.
your decision of
Yeah.
to continue
She
working.
was proud of it. She
Yeah.
would go out and gaga about it. And, you know, then
Yeah,
when
she
I
was very proud of you.
pregnant, and then she would be like, dhyan rakhi, like, you know, she would keep a check. If she feels that I must be busy, she'll send a voice note. So, you know,
कि खाना खा लिया time पे
yeah, and
you're looking
all
after
these
yourself.
small things. And I was, Areen hoti thi, choti thi, and she would be, you know, when you're a mom, leaving your child, even with your husband, you
Is
have
not
a
easy,
question कि खिलाएंगे, पिलाएंगे, क्या करेंगे, like, you know.
So even when I used to travel, when I was working, there was this incident. My son was running high fever, but I had to travel. I know what, as a mother, what I was feeling,
Yeah.
because though my husband was there, again, the same story, but to leave a child with high fever, it isn't easy.
Yeah, you hold the guilt
Yeah,
throughout,
you
and
have that guilt, and koi mobile nahi.
you are at
It's not as if
work.
I can WhatsApp my husband and ask him, या FaceTime my
Yeah.
child कि मुझे दिखा दे that he's fine. There were no phones,
You are
there were
at
no
work,
mobiles.
You have to be
It isn't
there,
easy.
presence of mind. And
Yeah.
I mean, like, if they say I'm lucky, I would say, yeah, I'm lucky, but it's both sides.
It's both
like,
ways. It is both ways. And
um,
fortunately, support does help.
yeah.
पर अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो फिर, and if you know you,
Just do it
if you
now.
value your work, the others will also
Will
value
also
your
value,
work.
yeah.
Like I remember abhi when we started the conversation, I have traveled and I have also changed for meetings at airport washrooms.
Washroom is not
I had that
easy.
little bit of makeup that I knew कि liner लगाना है, lipstick लगानी है, थोड़ा सा blush on लगाना है. And even when we used to travel to Delhi for meets, center directors की meet हो रही है या franchise meet हो रही है, we used to carry a change.
Yeah.
We have changed in washrooms of hotels, gotten ready for the meeting, attended the meeting, changed back again to travel back to Chandigarh. So I think, and मुझे ये बताने में कोई मुझे कोई शर्म या ऐसे
शर्म
कुछ नहीं है,
नहीं है. It is
because
something
it
to
is
be
my, I
very
think I am
proud.
very proud of it.
Yeah.
And I don't care who judges, because judge भी वही करता है जिसने कभी काम नहीं किया होता.
Yeah.
And
I agree.
Yeah. So this is my
Oh God,
journey.
we shouldn't have discussed Mama. I'm just trying.
No, you
Not
so
to-
yeah. So this is everybody's journey. That's what Unstitched Stories is all about.
Yeah.
And this journey has not been a cakewalk for you, right? What people see your profile on Instagram. They see all the glamour that comes with it. You're traveling, and you are traveling all over the world with the most influential people.
Yeah.
But still it comes with a backstory.
Yeah.
There are struggles, there are there
And
are good
people
days,
sometimes
bad
they
days.
go with there are people who goes with the algorithm of Instagram, who goes with the followers, right?
इसके इतने followers हैं, उसके इतने followers.
But then for me, it's like, book me for my work. I'm more than happy to be a part of your wedding. But if you judge me from the algorithm on how to run it, I'm learning it each day. To live with social media. It's
And you've
like,
also been, before I forget, you've also been awarded.
yeah.
You've received awards for the work that you've done.
It has been a conspiracy too that I paid for an award, and I was like, no, why would I leave
It
my
doesn't
child and go?
It does not matter.
Yeah, but I
That's
didn't
just noise.
yeah,
That
yeah.
is just noise.
But then I'm
So,
happy. I was like, I was there more than anything.
तो आप
I-
भी पे करके चले जाते हैं ना.
हाँ,
सिंपल.
पे तो करना था.
हाँ, पे ही तो करना था. अगर पे करके ही लिया है मैंने तो आप भी कर लेते. So that is okay.
But,
so one thing I've learned.
The milestone for me is I was there, association, meeting people. That was beautiful. Like
Yeah.
I saw the bond that the wedding planners have, the way
Yeah.
they were cheering for each other.
Wow.
It was beautiful.
And you get to network with people.
Network
That's
with
how you
people.
grow your
But
business.
that's an experience, like, you know,
Yeah.
acha, wahan tak. And then now it's like, acha, that is a platform. Then you explore more. Ki aisa kaun sa platform hai. Then, you know, I decided to travel to Dubai to learn another
that's-
kind of trick from Patrick.
that's how you enhanced your technique
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Whose course did you do in Dubai?
Pratik Ta. He
Okay.
is a makeup artist of Ariana Grande, Gigi Hadid and all.
Okay,
and,
okay.
I wanted to learn I wanted to see his technique, but more than that, I wanted to be in that atmosphere
yeah.
and imagine, like,
Get a feel of it.
oh my God, when I was there, everyone around me was full on with makeup. मैं तो किसी और कोई और दुनिया में थी मैं. And I was like, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. Like, अभी तो बहुत
कुछ करना बाकी है.
And it
Yeah.
was a different people from different background. It wasn't only makeup artists. It was influencers. It was entrepreneur. It was a
From
lot-
all over the world.
all
huh?
over the world. It was
Okay.
like Iranian and European, Korean,
Makeup artists
oh
and
my God, a
influencers
lot
and
of them.
anybody who's interested in this field.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
But it was a beautiful, you know, sometimes you decide to go somewhere just to get an experience of that place, and it was good.
Oh wonderful. So any message for the young generation getting into this business
I
of
would
fashion and
say-
makeup?
I mean, if this is your real calling, if you really want to do it and you're so happy, you're so inspired by doing it, dil se karo. पर करते चलो, घबराना नहीं है. I mean, there'll be a way out. Like, I feel कि if there was a way out for me, it wasn't because God is, of course, God is kind, but मैं भी तो कर ही रही थी ना. मैं रुकी तो नहीं थी. I just kept working towards it. If things worked out in my favor, not 100%, sometimes you feel that ऐसा होना चाहिए था, but God has better plans. So I feel कि I was also working towards it. I
Towards
didn't
it.
stop.
You didn't give up.
Yeah, I didn't stop.
You know, you kept taking baby steps,
Yeah.
one step at a time
Yeah.
towards your goal.
Yes.
And
Yet
you are
to be
still,
there.
you are still halfway,
Half.
or you've covered more than halfway.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know, but I still have a lot in my bucket list to
Okay.
achieve, and I am just taking it slow, but I want to be sure where I'm heading next, what I'm doing next, but I want to do it.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Pavina, for coming and sharing your life story with us, your experiences, your struggles, and the dreams that are yet to be. I mean, half of the dreams are manifested, but more to come. Thank you so much for coming on Unstitched Stories.
I had a lovely time, and thank you. Thank you once
Thank
again.
you so much for opening up from the bottom of your heart. And just a reminder before we finish today's episode that if you are trying something, you're trying to do something with your life, you're working on something, struggling, do not give up on the process. Just keep going. Take baby steps, one step at a time, because in the end, you will realize that everything that you have been doing consistently and with discipline will all come together and help you finish your story.